Okay, we start again. We come up to this topic A4. Edit the given paragraph using a and the wherever necessary. Okay, these are articles. First one, Rakesh is a an ideal son. Now, which is the proper article here? Ideal, that means vowel sound is there. When there is vowel sound, then we use an is there. That means here Rakesh is an ideal son, an ideal, not a, an ideal son who remains devoted to his father as he grows professionally to become the famous doctor. To become, not a famous doctor. Lot of famous doctors are there. That means indefinite. Become a famous doctor, not the is there. A famous doctor. As his father grows old, he takes care to spend time with his father, bringing him tea in, bringing him tea in a morning or the morning, not a morning. Particular morning is there. Bringing him, bringing him tea in the morning. In the morning, the is there, not a. The is there, and taking him out for the walk, taking him out for a walk, not the walk, a walk, and the evening, not an, the evening. That means here we use an, okay, here we use a, later on here the morning, later on here a walk, and last one the evening. In this way we use a and the. Okay, now next part. Spot the errors in each of the following sentences and correct the incorrect ones. Spot the errors in each of the following sentences and correct the incorrect ones. Okay. Now we have to find out the errors. Spot means find out. Radha brought pens and distributed them between her 5 children. Radha brought pens and distributed them between her 5 children. Radha brought, not brought. Here bought is there. Brought, not brought, bought. Radha bought pens and distributed them. Here not between. Among is there. Among her 5 children. Radha bought, not brought. Radha bought pens and distributed them among, not between, her 5 children. Okay. Jayashree and Prajakta sat besides each other in complete silence. Jayashree and Sujata sat besides each other in complete silence. Here, besides, no, not besides is there. Jayashree and Sujata sat beside, एकमेकांच्या बाजूला, beside each other. Besides, not, yes is not there. Next one, his best friend Vijay was blind within one eye. His best friend Vijay was blind, not within, in one eye only. His best friend Vijay was blind in one eye. Here, not within is there, in is there. Next one could dare to encroach on his rights. One could dare to encroach on his rights. One could not dare. One could not dare to encroach on his rights. इथे not जो आहे तो येणार आहे. One could, how can one dare? That means one could not dare. One could not dare, not is there. Next one. She was taken with surprise when she saw the famous Taj Mahal. She was taken with surprise, not taken with, taken by. She was taken by surprise when she saw the famous Taj Mahal. She was taken by, not with, taken by. It is not possible to exchange the goods once the sale has been completed. it is not possible to exchange, not the is not here. It is not possible to exchange goods only. It is not possible to exchange goods once the sale has been completed. That means here no need of the, only goods. Next, Dr. Sengupta has been trying to master the craft for the last 5 years. Dr. Sengupta has been trying to master the craft for the last 5 years. This is correct statement. Not a single change is there. Keep as it is. No changes here. Sentence is correct. Next, the top ranking candidates will be appointed in senior jobs in banks. The top ranking candidates will be appointed, not in, appointed to senior jobs in banks, not in, appointed to senior jobs in banks. Next one, she knows very well what is expected from her, but she is unable to perform. She knows very well what is expected of her, not from, of her, but she is unable to perform. She knows very well what is expected of her. Instead of from, we use of here. Next one, they will put on a note on this regard for your consideration. They will put on, not on is there. They will put up a note in this regard for your consideration. Here instead of on we use up. They will put up. Okay, now we turn to next part. Read the following sentence. Santosh purchased a computer. He read the operating manual and followed the instructions. Santosh purchased a computer. He read the operating manual and followed the instruction. म्हणजे हा कॉम्प्युटर घेतला गेला आहे आणि काही इन्स्ट्रक्शन जे आहेत ते या पद्धतीने आहेत. ही लिंक द मॉनिटर, कीबोर्ड अँड प्रिंटर. ही प्लग इन द मेन केबल. ही स्विच ऑन द मॉनिटर at the back. When the light appeared on the screen, he placed the day disk in drive A. He pushed in the disk until the button clicked out. It took about 30 seconds for the computer to load the program. He pressed the drive button and the disk shot out. He replaced the day disk with the document disk. He pressed function key 7. Now, what is our exercise? Convert these sentences into passive voice by filling in the blanks. The first sentence has been done as an example. That means we have to convert all these instructions into passive voice. Passive voice, that means here object is important. In active voice, subject is important. Okay, now let us start with this activity. Firstly, the monitor, keyboard and printer were linked up. Okay, firstly the monitor, keyboard and printer were linked up. Then the main cable here, the main cable was on at the back. Okay, the monitor, then the main cable was plugged in. Okay, was plugged in here. The monitor was switch on at the back. When the light appeared on the screen, the day disk was placed in drive. The disk was pushed up in until the button click out. It took the computer, the disk was pushed in until the button click out. It took the computer 30 seconds to load the program. The drive button was pressed and the disk shot out. The day disk was replaced with document disk. Finally, the function key 7 was pressed. The word processor was then ready to use. Here we use it by using passive voice. Okay, we stop here.